Merry Christmas! Hope you're ready with your Christmas special kit. So let's start decorating our tree. So in the kit you would be finding a board, piping bag with the frosting, cake slices and lots of toppers. Let's get started. So place the board on any flat surface. Cut your piping bag. The nozzle tip should be out of the piping bag as shown in the picture. Now put some frosting on the board and spread it using any flat knife. Then place the largest slice of cake on it. Put some frosting on the slice. Again spread it using your knife. If you require more, put some more frosting. You have to cover the entire slice with the frosting. Then put the second slice. Same way, put more frosting and spread it using a knife. So this way you have to put the slices one by one on top of each other and get a tower. In total you will have 5 slices. So after you have placed the slices, now you will have to cover the sides of the slices. So carefully cover all the sides of the slices. So the entire tree should be colored in green. Now using a knife, just smoothen it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just like you spread butter on the bread, same way just smoothen this from all the sides. So if there are some gaps, you can put some more frosting and then again smoothen it using the knife. Once the tree is covered with frosting, place it in the freezer for 3 to 4 minutes. Also place your piping bag with the frosting in the fridge. After 3 to 4 minutes, remove the tree and the frosting bag. Now we will start making the leaves of the tree. We will start from the bottom. Just follow the way I am making. Complete the entire circle and move on to the next row. In the third row I am making a little lengthier leaves. It's completely up to you how you want to make. Just another way of frosting. So you have to cover the entire tree with the leaves. Now we have finally reached the top of the tree and we are almost done. So the tree is ready to be decorated. So you must be having a lot of edible toppers in the kit. Decorate it the way you would like to decorate. Place the gift, the socks, Santa, gems, the way you would like to decorate your tree. Now I am placing the gems here at the bottom row. Put a star at the top. Sprinkle the balls all over the tree. Now take a sieve and put the powdered sugar in it and sprinkle the sugar all over it as if it is snow. You can also decorate the tree by putting other accessories around it. And the tree is ready. Hope you enjoyed decorating your tree. Wish you a Merry Christmas once again.